Hello friends, look at this beautiful friendship band. It's totally amazing, na? Here I am Rupali and welcome back to my channel. This is made by thread which you can easily purchase by any gift shop or any fortune shop. You can find it easily. And rest that how can make it easily and designer. So for this please watch the video till end. I really glad to give this to my best one and you can also. So for this type of amazing ideas do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified. And you all can also follow me on my Insta, FB and on Twitter also. So let's proceed.